My name is George, and I received the last flex treatment today. In 4 days, I'm going in for knee replacement surgery. My knee is badly damaged. At one point, about 6-7 months ago, the pain was excruciating. I couldn't put any pressure. Walking was painful, standing near impossible. My wife works for Dr. Stolovich, and when she explained the situation to her about my upcoming surgery, she suggested that I get some of the flex treatments. Honestly, I cannot even begin to describe the difference it has made. It's changed everything. It really has. The pain really has disappeared. Every week it kept getting stronger and stronger. Walking is smoother. The left leg feels almost like it did way before the problem started. Before you consider surgery, consider this. You say to yourself, you're in so much pain. What do you have to lose? And that's what it is. I said, what the hell? I'll give it a shot. I'm stunned. I'm truly amazed. What a difference. Going up and down the stairs. No pain. It's in 4 weeks. I truly can't believe it. Knee replacement is supposed to be complicated. There's a long recovery period. The left leg is good. I do not want to get knee replacement done on my left knee because of this machine. This has changed everything.